If you're looking for a satisfying pre or post-workout snack, or you just want a healthy way to satisfy a chocolate craving, then my chocolate hazelnut protein spread will definitely hit the spot. And all you need is 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. To this, we're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Give that a good stir. And now I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of raw cacao powder, which gives us all that chocolatey goodness with less sugar. And I'm also adding a 30-gram scoop of vanilla whey protein powder, and that just adds to the protein content of the spread. I'm using GNC's Pro Performance. Give that a good stir. And finally, 2/3 of a cup of hazelnut butter, and that has a good protein content, lots of healthy fats. Once that's stirred through, we're just going to add that to our glass jar, and it keeps for up to 10 days. Tastes absolutely delicious, spread on toast, pancakes, on fruit, or even just eaten off the spoon when no one's watching.